number 18D on separated letters. So, now let's learn a new thing that is related to med, and it is called separated letters. They are read as separated letters, and in Arabic they are called huruf muqatta'at. So these huruf muqatta'at, some of them have a pointy med sign on them. And the ones that have a pointy med sign on them, their duration to stretch them is 6 counts. So now let's practice these separated letters. Repeat after me twice. Sad, sad, sad. Yeah, with standing fatha, so 2 counts. And sin, 6 counts. Yasin, Yasin, Yasin. So, ha, 2 counts. Mim, 6 counts. Hamim, Hamim, Hamim. So, a bit longer word. So, 6 for them, 2 for the ghunna, because when there's shadda on mim, we make ghunna, and 6 for mim. Alif, lam, mim. Alif, lam, mim. A bit shorter one now. So 6 for lam, 2 for ra. Alif, lam, ra. Alif, lam, ra. Alif, lam, ra. So, a bit longer word. 2 for ra, 6 for sin, 2 for ghunna, 6 for mim. Tasim, mim. Tasim, mim. Tasim, mim. So, another long one. 6 for lam, 2 for mim, ghunna, and then 6 for mim, and then 2 for ra. Alif, lam, mim, ra. Alif, lam, mim, ra. Alif, lam, mim, ra. Oh, now the longest word. Very long. 6 for ga, 2 for ha, 2 for ya, 6 for ayn, 2 for the ghunna in between ayn and sad, and 6 for sad. Let's say it. Kaf, ha, ya, ayn, sad. Kaf, ha, ya, ayn, sad. Oh, that was not enough. Let me try again. Kaf, ha, ya, ayn, sad. Kaf, ha, ya, ayn, sad. Alhamdulillah, we have finished the practice. Now let's recap. So in lesson 18, we learned 3 types of med along with these separated letters. So the first type of med was attached med, where Hamza came after the med letters Alif med, Ya med, and Waw med in the same word, and we stretched it 4 to 5 counts. The second one was Lazim med, where a sukoon letter or a shadda letter came after Alif med, Ya med, or Waw med in the same word. Then we would stretch it 6 counts. And then the last one would be separated med, where the Hamza would come in the beginning of the second word, and Alif med, Ya med, or Waw med would come in the end of the first word, and we would stretch it either 2, 4, or 5 counts. And then the last one was the separated letters. We had different types of med. Like on the places where there was standing fatha, we stretched it twice, and there was the pointy wave for the med, we stretched it 6 counts. So, that's all for now. So, we are now done the med letters. Next lesson, I'm going to bring you with a new topic. So, stay tuned. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.